One of my favorite cryptocurrency is Cardano. Cardano is my favorite because it has lot of potential use cases, and I am putting a lot of focus on potential because, to be very fair and honest, there is no real world use case of Cardano or any other cryptocurrency for that matter. It all might as well be the Dutch tulips. But having said that, I still have some hope that this Cardano might be something in the future. If you look at the graph, which is simply I have obtained from Google, this graph shows that for the last 2 years, Cardano has been on the downward trend. If I remember correctly, it peaked around in September of 2021, and in Australian dollars, it crossed $4 per coin, and then afterwards, it just started dropping, and now it is hovering around 56 cents in Australian currency. And I am observing that for the last couple of months, it is just oscillating between this price range. Anyway, apart from price range, one of the thoughts which I have been giving a lot of attention to is that will Cardano ADA ever recover or not? Because if you look at this graph and then if you also check it on a lot of other resources, you will notice that a significant number of addresses requiring ADA at a price range between this 50 to 55 cents in Australian. And right now, as ADA is trading around 55 cents, 56 cents, many investors are wondering whether it can recover from the current slump and regain its upward trend. To analyze future performance of ADA, we need to also examine the in the money and out of the money matrix, which you can get from any crypto analysis website like CoinSpot, and there are various others. This involves calculating the average cost at which tokens were purchased and comparing it to the current price if the current price is greater than the average cost. So I have done it in my spare time, and it seems that currently ADA is sitting at the over $3 billion level in US with a minimum price of 35 cents in US dollar and a maximum of 35 cents. And around 215,000 addresses have acquired ADA within this range, creating a resistance level. Resistance, by the way, is formed when a large number of addresses hold ADA at a specific price range, making it difficult for the price to break through that level. ADA is currently trading at 56 cents, as I said, and moving in a local downtrend with descending trading volume. Despite the current downturn, there are several factors that could contribute to ADA's recovery, including market sentiment. Positive sentiment within the broader cryptocurrency market could also benefit ADA. If other cryptocurrencies rebound and experience growth, it could create a ripple effect and bolster ADA's price. That's the only thing I could think of. And if you just recall what I have said, there is no concrete hope or no concrete basis on which I'm making this assumption because I'll be more comfortable if ADA would be utilized in some sort of real world scenarios or even some government would adopt it or any large organization like Google, Microsoft would adopt it and make it part of their fleet, but nothing like that has happened. And it's not just confined to ADA Cardano, it is the story with every cryptocurrency. So, what are your thoughts on it? I'm really um, very keen to learn what does the cloud engineers think and other people in the cloud think because I know that almost every other cloud professional has some sort of crypto in one way or another. So if you have ADA Cardano or any other cryptocurrency, do you think that they will ever rebound and then more importantly become part of mainstream? Thank you.